Nikon designed backside illuminated, BSI, full-frame image sensor with no optical low-pass filter. 45.7 megapixels of extraordinary resolution, outstanding dynamic range and virtually no risk of moiré. Up to 9 fps 1 continuous shooting at full resolution with full AF performance. 8K 6 and 4K time-lapse movies with new levels of sharpness and detail. File system, DCF 2.0, exif 2.31, Pict bridge. Tilting touchscreen, focus shift shooting mode, outstanding battery performance and much more. Total pixels, 46.89 million. 4K Ultra HD video recording, slow motion up to 120 fps at 1080p. Top reviews from the United States. I am an advanced amateur photographer. I have shot for many years with my D810 and was skeptical that this would be that much of an upgrade. However, I am quite impressed with this camera body. It's pricey to be sure, as was the D810, which I still love and carry as a backup body, but if you are considering upgrading your camera body, I recommend giving this some serious consideration.